Hello! Today we would like to introduce you to the SAP Solution Manager Value Report. SAP Solution Manager is a centralized, robust application management and administration solution used to implement, support, operate, and monitor your SAP landscape. It is included in your SAP maintenance agreement at no extra cost and contains several functional areas with potential high benefits for you. So you may be wondering where you can identify the functional areas of SAP Solution Manager where your organization will benefit most. And as a consequence, how can you prioritize the activities you want to do? What are the related efforts to implement or to upgrade? And what are the benefits? And when can you expect a return on your investment? The SAP Solution Manager Value Report helps you answer these questions and build the value case for your SAP Solution Manager. It is based on the knowledge and experience of SAP, as well as partners' best practices. There are 11 focus areas in the SAP Solution Manager Value Report. For example, the process management, the test automation, the scope and effort analyzer, the root cause analysis, or the custom code management. For each of these areas, you can choose if you want to upgrade it from SAP Solution Manager 7.1, or if you want to implement it on SAP Solution Manager 7.2. And for each areas you selected to upgrade or to implement, we look one side on the effort and on the other side on the benefits. Let's see how we calculate the efforts and benefits of a functional area. Let's start by the benefits. Here on the left is a calculation of the benefits of implementing a new scenario, business process analyzer. This organization mentioned that their project cost is $1 million. Based on our best practices, we know two things. First, in general, 25% of this cost will be dedicated to testing. And second, this testing cost can be reduced by 30% using SAP Solution Manager. The potential benefits of using this functional area for this organization is then of $75,000 a year. 30% of $250,000. Sometimes an organization can choose to use a third-party payable tool to manage a functional area that the solution manager can handle. In this case, we provide the potential savings of not using the third-party tools. In this case, $58,000. The total benefit of using these functional areas for this organization is then of $133,000 a year. $75,000 of initial benefits, plus $58,000 of additional benefits. Now to the effort calculations. There are two types of efforts. First, the one-time implementation effort, meaning how long does it take and how much does it cost to set up or activate this functionality. Secondly, the yearly effort, or the efforts to maintain and update the functionality. The efforts are divided between the ones coming from the IT and the ones coming from the business. And for each of these efforts, we mention the number of days necessary and calculate a monetary value based on input we received from you. Now, let's go to the return on investment slide. On the left side of the slide, you will see the summary of efforts and benefits calculations. Here at the bottom is a break-even point. To calculate the break-even point, we take the one-time effort, we take the benefits, and we look at how long it takes to pay back this one-time effort. In this case, a bit less than 3 months. Last but not least, the graphic on the right side shows the time distribution on the return on investment, and the compound benefits until 5 years after the rollout of the functionality. In this example, $600,000. This example was for the implementation of a new functional area. But the logic is the same for the upgrade of an existing area, except that instead of having the implementation efforts, the upgrade efforts will be mentioned. Knowing the efforts and benefits for each selected areas, the SAP Solution Manager Value Report will benchmark them in order to help you decide which ones are the most suitable for your organization. In this example, the customer chose 2 out of 11 focus areas available, but of course you can select as many areas as you wish. On this graphic, The efforts necessary are on the horizontal axis, and the benefits are on the vertical axis. The more a functional area is located on the top left of the graph, the better it is for you. On the left side, you see the rating of each selected area. The report will also summarize the efforts and the benefits of each functional areas, enabling you to compare them more easily. Finally, once you know which functional areas are the most relevant for you and what their benefits are, the SAP Solution Manager Value Report describes the next steps using SAP support. In a nutshell, the SAP Solution Manager Value Report is a tailor-made report which identifies which functional area of the SAP Solution Manager will be the most suitable for your organization. The report mentions the efforts necessary to implement or to upgrade a functionality, the benefits of this functionality, and when will be the return on investment. The report is easy to use and comes free of charge. Order it now on sap.com/solmanvalue.